If you're looking for the best Peb designers in Tumakur, look no further. The talented team at our firm is here to bring your vision to life with their expertise in Peb design. We understand the importance of creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing space, and our designers are committed to delivering top-notch results. Whether you're in need of a new commercial building or a custom residential project, our Peb designers in Tumakur have the skills and knowledge to exceed your expectations. One of our specialties is Scon design, and we take great pride in our ability to create stunning and innovative sconces for any space. Sconces are not only functional lighting fixtures but can also add a touch of elegance and style to any room. Our Peb designers in Tumakur are well versed in the latest trends and techniques in Scon design, ensuring that your project will be unique and eye-catching. When you choose our Peb designers in Tumakur, you can expect nothing but the best. We work closely with our clients to understand their specific needs and preferences, taking into account factors such as budget, timeline, and desired aesthetic. Our team is dedicated to providing personalized service and attention to detail, ensuring that every aspect of your project is carefully considered and executed. What sets our Peb designers in Tumakur apart from the rest is our commitment to innovation. We are constantly pushing the boundaries of design, seeking out new materials, technologies, and techniques to incorporate into our projects. This allows us to create truly unique and groundbreaking designs that are sure to impress. In addition to our expertise in Peb design and Scon design, we also offer a range of other services to meet all of your design needs. From architectural planning and interior design to project management and construction oversight, we have you covered every step of the way. Our team is experienced in working on projects of all sizes and complexities, so you can trust that we have the skills and knowledge to bring your vision to life. So why wait? Contact our Peb designers in Tumakur today and let us turn your dreams into reality. With our expertise, innovation, and dedication to excellence, you can rest assured that your project will be in good hands. Whether you're looking for a complete building design or just need assistance with a specific aspect of your project, we are here to help. Trust the best Peb designers in Tumakur for all of your design needs.